Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Frank Jimenez with the Builderall team. In this video, we will be going over the simple steps to configure the external payment methods with your membership area inside Cheetah. So here we are inside my 30-day bootcamp challenge website. I've already gone in and created a membership restricted area, and it's very easy to do. Okay, so down here are two pages that have a red dot over at the top left corner of the page. Now that simply indicates that those are the assigned restricted areas that I created. So if I go up to the very top, all you have to do is select Create Members Area and scroll up to the very top of this and go in and title your restricted area. Go up to the very top. Now here is where you're going to name your restricted area, write a brief description of your restricted area, and I highly recommend that you change the color to a darker color that you're able to see and distinguish the different restricted areas. Now you can also go in here and create multiple restricted areas, but for this example we're going to go through and just show you what I did. So since I've already created restricted area, I'm going to cancel out of here and kind of show you a similar menu down at the bottom here. So once you've created a restricted area, it now shows up at the bottom. So let me go in here and go into edit, and as you can see, these are the exact same questions that you were asked to answer. And I have two pages selected, which are indicated by the red dot. Now also, this is very important, members area access release type. So if you're going to want to make it a paid membership, then you're going to want to select manual payment. And also the authorization type. How will they be authorized to enter the restricted area, which is token, login, or both. To keep it simple, I selected login. Now next, you're going to want to add a mailing list to Mailing Boss here. Now again, down here at the bottom, it's important that you understand that the fields on your mailing list should match up to the membership questions on your website. Okay, so now that we understand how to set up the restricted area, what we're going to do next is hop on over to Super Checkout. Now, I already created a product, but that's the first thing you're going to need to do is make sure that you start off by creating a product. Now, I'm going to go to Show All Products. Now, this is the exact same thing. These are the same exact steps that you would follow in order to get your product set. So here, all I got to do is go in and type in a product. For this example, it's 30-day bootcamp challenge membership. I set the language here and then go down to the bottom. And after you've filled in all of this area, select Next. And this is where you configure your payment options. So for this example, in order for me to configure my PayPal, all you would have to do, well, let's go ahead and select Plus and start from scratch. Now these are the different payment options that you can go in and set up. It's very easy to do. So for PayPal, all you have to do is go through and follow the instructions notated here. Same thing goes for Stripe. Go through and follow these same instructions. Now once your payment methods have been set, go ahead and select it by placing a check mark and continue going through the questions. Now here, would you like to set up an affiliation? We're going to go ahead and bypass that for now. Now here, you have three different checkouts. You have a 3-step checkout, an alternate 3-step checkout, and a 2-step checkout. Feel free to preview them and select the one that you feel is best. Now down below, you can do a couple of things. You can enable custom footer on your checkout page. You can use a custom URL, or in this example, I'm using a page inside my website. So once they make the purchase, where would you like them to go? I would like them to go back to the login screen, which is right at the member's homepage. Now select the page where you will sell this product. Well, I'm going to also sell it at that same page. So next, what I'm going to do is go to the very top. Since I didn't make any changes, I'm going to select Email Campaign. Now choose your Mailing Boss list. Here is where you'll go in and choose your Mailing Boss list. Disable built-in buyer emails. You can click on this and it says, check this option to disable automatic notification emails from Super Checkout. Here you have a thank you email message, and you have the option to send an email message when a buyer leaves the page or abandons cart. Now this is a restricted area. Remember, once we set that inside Cheetah and we went down here and I go to edit, We named it the 30-day bootcamp challenge. So if I go back here, that is going to connect your payment method to the membership area. And once you're done, all you have to do is just select links. Okay, so here are your panel links, broken down by the different pages. So the top one is going to be your sales page. Where is the buy now going to happen, right? And then this is going to be your thank you page. After the purchase has been made, where do you want to redirect your new member? And here's your checkout URL. Now before, you used to have to go in and copy this so that you can insert it to the button, the buy now button. But what is super cool now is let's go into the actual Cheetah page, right? Okay, so let's simply go to the buy now button, right click, set link. And here you don't have to insert the link that you copy pasted from Super Checkout, right? All you have to do is go down here and select Super Checkout. Now you can go and select the web link, which is right there as well. Okay, so if I remove that and go to Super Checkout page and select that, there you go. I've done the exact same thing. Now you can go in and press select, and that is how we have configured the external payment method to your membership area. In this video, we walk through on how to connect your payment method to your membership area inside Cheetah. I started by creating a restricted area inside my list of web pages. I then went into Super Checkout and showed you how to create a product. Now here is where we added our payment method and completed the rest of the product selections. We then went into the Buy Now button on your sales page and connected your payment option to the membership area by simply selecting Super Checkout and then selecting the membership product that we had created. I hope you found this video helpful. Until next time, I'm Frank Jimenez with the Builderall team.